Ultrasound instruments can be used with many different modules. A scanning module is used for airborne ultrasounds from leaks or electrical emissions. A contact module is used for structure-borne ultrasounds. Use it for bearings, steam traps, and valves. The magnetic transducer allows for easier bearing inspection by being magnetically mounted on a motor. The long-range module allows the inspector to look for leaks or electrical emissions at a greater distance. For even greater distances, use a UWC, Ultrasound Waveform concentrator. To detect very low-level leaks or vacuum leaks, use a close focus module. To perform inspections in hard-to-reach areas, use a telescopic flexible module. It can be used with either a scanning or a contact module. Use an ultrasound test point to inspect your bearings, assuring you always take your readings in the same place.